Hi guys, so we're showing you a quick preview of our hard cases, our pop cases which have been the best selling throughout. These are available for almost all major mobile models, and you can customize the way you want them to be. So these are all the prints which can be customized. You can customize your name, you can customize your initial, you can literally customize anything with your code. These are our glass cases, so we'll try addressing the issue of the difference between the glass case and the hard cases as well right now. But you can just have to remember one thing, that all these cases are really protective. So coming to the hard cases, a lot of you might think the hard cases are not really protective, but that's not true. Hard cases are really protective. You see, they have 4-corner protection. They protect your phone throughout. So even you see the print quality, you can have scratches, anything on them, but it's not going to be seen on it. The prints last really long. You can attach sockets, you can attach a lot of stuff there. These are available for almost all major mobile models. You can choose any design, you can customize your names, you can do literally anything. So that's about the hard cases. And the pop cases, you can buy them with the pop socket or without them. So these are our glass cases. The glass cases are only available for few mobile models, but again they have a glass finish, they have a shock proof protection. The price of the glass case is quite high compared to our pop cases and hard cases, so you can always decide what you wish to buy. But it's a myth that hard cases are not protective. Hard cases are really protective. They are very good, they look very classy, and it gives your phone a very customized look. You can gift them, you can do a lot of customization on them. Like here we have a name, and we have a socket, we have a BTS customized name, and a lot of things as such. So this is about, you can customize them with your quotes as well. We have mandala prints. Even if you want to customize a cartoon character or anything, that can be done. So that's about it. That's the whole range of our cases.